আমি আমার বিদেশি বন্ধুদের উদ্দেশ্যে দুটি কথা বলি। My dear friends who are attending this celebration, I would like to say a few words to you. I take the privilege to thank the excellencies and distinguished guests from our friendly countries for joining us to celebrate our Armed Forces Day. On this occasion, we gratefully recall the contribution of the people of our friendly nations during our War of Liberation. I'm also thankful for the excellent training support and assistance provided to our armed forces by your countries. I hope you will continue to provide similar support in future as well. I must mention that it is a unique opportunity and great experience for our troops to work together with the global peacekeepers under the umbrella of the United Nations for the noble cause of world peace and stability. I assure full support to the United Nations in the global peace efforts by our armed forces. I thank you all for your kind presence. প্রিয় সুধীবৃন্দ, আপনাদের সবাইকে আজকের অনুষ্ঠানে অংশগ্রহণের জন্য আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। মহান আল্লাহ আমাদের সহায় হোক। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।